good day to you all. It's great pleasure to see you through this video and my best wishes to you. We all join through this channel sharing good thoughts to create positive society. No poison can kill positive finger and no medicine can cure negative finger. Please like this channel and please share and comment which is improve this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Welcome. Let us see today's video clip. Hi, good to see you through this video. I am staying now in between Singapore and Malaysia. You see over there, all the way they are going to Singapore. Heavy jam. Today is Sunday, so I plan to go for short ride. Going to 40 days Hari. Chicken, mutton, kambing. We go there and eat. This is a single ride. Just one bike only. Just relax to go. Today weather is so good, so I like to enjoy to go. This is Singapore and Malaysia in between. The seashore. All this way is Malaysia. So I'm going to Malaysia, special restaurant. Go there to eat, enjoy. Just finished Malaysia Customs, just beside. Going towards 40 days biryani. Kari, 40 days, Kambing. Really nice place. You can see over there. This is the expressway from Singapore all the way to Malacca, Kuala Lumpur, Ipoh, Penang, Kedah, Thailand, all the way same road. So this is located just beside only. But when you come out from the highway, you need to be exit Ayer Hitam. This place is called Ayer Hitam. So you need to come out from the Ayer Hitam exit. Less than 5 kilometers, you can reach here. See, I told you, lot of bikers also coming over here. This is a place. So over there, you need to come over here. We have a parking facilities also over here. If you drive bike or car, you need to come here. Lot of more parking is over here. Clear parking on the way to the hill you can park. Finally reach 40 days Hari chicken, very famous one. On the way a lot of struggles, heavy rain, but still don't give up. I come on the way to reach here successfully. but we are coming late. Exactly 3:30 we reach here. So usually they give big plate. So with the biryani and the mutton, appalam, juice, one jug. All come with the package. You can sit here, or leave them over here or over there. Big space. But today they give allow us for takeaway. But I got a special permission to do here. So you see the mutton and the biryani all the way they give. And not only that, they give additional 2 more mutton, then the salad, appalam, entire things, the juice. Just one jug of juice they give. All comes with one package. This is the mutton. This is the pepper. Very soft. Very nice. Very hot. Charge 64 ringgit for the entire package. For the mutton. For the chicken, 54 ringgit. The entire package only 10 ringgit only. So 64 become $20. Singapore $20. Which is very what this one can eat 3 people. Okay, I'm so hungry. Eat and we will leave. Very, very full. Eat until here. So hungry, come here to eat. Really very nice. This is the chef, master chef, and the founder and the owner. They have 3 packages. One is chicken biryani, mutton biryani, and mixed chicken and mutton. See the price. The next one is the jug. They give you juice free of charge. This is the one. This biryani looks Arabian biryani. Something different. The curry little bit sweet. 7:30 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. You should come before. I come exactly 3:30 p.m. That's why they asked me to take away, but I got a special permission to eat here. Very nice. Not just come. See the plate. They give you the biryanis over here. So big size with the mutton or chicken and the salad, everything they give you. So one plate they give you, one package, easily can eat 3 people. So all together they sit and eat very unitedly. Also, they provide 1 jug of juice. Include this package. This one 2 ringgit, very tasty. I think it's Indian appalam. And the taste is like Indian traditional. They charge 2 ringgit. Very nice. And you can see here. And here they put all the way tables. All the way set tables. And over there is a toilet. Toilet facility also available. One more special thing. This place, motorbike riders are welcome to come here because they like to come here from various places in Malaysia, not only Malaysia, from Singapore all the way like me. You see over here, buy gloves. Every gloves they put there for their memories. You can see more bikers coming. I told you right. One group of bikers from Malaysia. They are going to give to now. Ayer Hitam is very famous for house decorations, plants, so beautifully they made it. So people like to come here to purchase things also. Hope you enjoy the short ride and review of the restaurant. See you again in my next ride.